back to the Ozone Shoe Believers. Boss Vegeta 1 here. For those of you who don't know, I buy 2 pairs of every Nike and Jordan GI each year. So if you like shoes, you found the right channel. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe so you don't miss anything. Let's get a little bit of box action. This shoe reads the Air Jordan 1 Mid Black, Noble Red, and White. Not a bad shoe. I think it's a pretty good Jordan 1 Mid. Materials on this shoe are standard Jordan 1 Mid materials. I don't know how this shoe did, but I think a lot of people, at least in my area, picked it up. If you like the Chicago colorway, I don't know why you wouldn't like this colorway. Just a darker red. Got this light on. That's a black mudguard, Noble Red Toe, Noble Red Jumpman. See, standard black interior with Noble Red Jumpman. Black laces in the shoe, no extra laces. You come to the side, you get a normal leather side panel with the Noble Red Nike swoosh, Noble Red Jordan Wings logo. Around to the back of the shoe, you get the Noble Red upper, the black breakup, a little bit of Noble Red on the Nike swoosh again. I have a little bit of stitch error on mine. Down to the white, back to the Noble Red again. Basically the same on this side of the shoe. We go to the Noble Red bottom, standard Jordan 1 bottom. Well, like I said, if you like the UNC colorway, I don't know why you wouldn't like this colorway. All in all, it seems like a pretty good shoe. Let me know if you guys are buying Jordan 1 mids. I don't know when I bought this shoe, but I never wore it. And I was 11, so I won't be able to wear it. So this must be my staring pair. Just going through the room, collecting, looking at some shoes, reorganizing. Said I'll make some videos for you guys while I'm making space. So that we get guys a look at the shoe, what it look like when it's on your feet. You know what shoes you guys are buying. Let me know the shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. And above all, everybody stay safe. Have a nice day.